In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a GitHub SSH key in just 5 minutes. SSH keys provide a secure way of connecting to your GitHub account without needing to input your username and password every time. So, let's dive right into it. To begin, open up your web browser and search for Git Bash. This is a terminal application that emulates a Unix-style environment on Windows, suitable for all your Git needs. Once you find it, proceed to download the application. Follow the installation instructions to get it set up on your computer. It's straightforward and only takes a few minutes. If you're on a Mac or Linux, you won't need to download anything extra as Terminal is already built into your system. Next, open Terminal if you're using a Mac or Linux, or Git Bash if you're on Windows. This is where you'll generate your SSH key. Type in the following command: SSH keygen TEED25519C and replace your email at example.com with your own email address, the one associated with your GitHub account. The ED25519 bit specifies the type of algorithm used to generate the keys, which is modern and secure. Meanwhile, the email address is helpful for identifying the key later on. The system will then ask you for a location to save the SSH key. Simply press Enter here to accept the default location. This is typically recommended unless you have a particular reason to save it elsewhere, as it makes things simpler when setting up SSH with GitHub later. After this, you'll be prompted to input a secure passphrase. This step is crucial because it adds an additional layer of protection to your private SSH key. Essentially, a passphrase is like a password for your key. While you can leave this blank, it is highly recommended that you do enter something for a little extra security. Just be sure to remember it, as you'll need to enter this passphrase whenever you use the key. And there you have it. Your SSH key is now created. It only takes a few minutes, yet it significantly enhances the security of your GitHub account by ensuring that only you, with your private key and known passphrase, can make changes remotely. This setup not only protects your account, but also makes the workflow smoother by eliminating repetitive logins. Whether you're developing open-source projects or collaborating with a team, having this setup in place is invaluable. Don't forget to add your new SSH key to your GitHub account settings by copying the content of your public key file. This final step allows GitHub to recognize and trust the key you've created. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.